This ductwork's getting replaced up in this attic, but check out this return. Up and around and back to the return air plenum. It's a roller coaster ride. Crazy. Check out the kitchen exhaust. Tapped in to this duct here. Yeah, it doesn't leak. Da, 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 da. Here's the other end going through the attic and then up through the roof. Do, 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 do. Check out these condensers. They got the poles, so when the cars are backing up, they won't hit the condenser. The York didn't make it. It got tagged, no pole, but it's still holding charge. How do you like the clearances? I got a good one for you. Here's a 20 by 20 return air filter grill. Let's change out the filter. Oh, wait a minute, there's a fan behind there. I'm confused. Can't change that filter. What do we have? A mini split. I'm not sure what the manufacturer is, the size. I'm not even working on it, but I thought I'd show you guys what a crammed in mini split looks like. Shoehorned in the utility closet. Nice work.